of Portmore and the whole of St. James. Remember we when we're gone, we live forever.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So I'm starting this vlog off whilst I'm at work. So it is now 12:30. I finished medication round and everything. A little bit of stuff happened downstairs, so I had to go downstairs to sort out whatever I need to sort out. Obviously, even though there's a senior care downstairs, whenever things happen downstairs, the nurses have to go downstairs, unfortunately. I've made numerous complaints about that already, because you know, even when there's no senior care downstairs, the nurses still have to cover the whole entire floor, and that's a bed of 45 residents, which is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Okay guys, so I'm attempting to make banana bread with my little spin on it, because there's one thing ingredients that I'm missing, and I didn't even notice that I was missing it. I thought I had it, but I don't. So that's my flour that's in there, and I've got my egg here. That's one large egg, and I've obviously taken the eye because I don't like when the eye of the egg in there, so I have to take it out. And I have two ripe banana that's overly ripe. Yeah, so that's why I wanted to use those. Then I've got my vanilla over here, so I'm gonna use the essence with them use. Me a Jamaican, so I'm gonna use the one with me have to use, and then I put in there. So then I need to have 3/4 of butter, so I put that in there. So that's how I have at the moment, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. And by the way, this is actually inspired by Jenny, mommy's vlog on YouTube. I watched her video, and she was making banana bread. Just giving, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go. Since I've had these bananas, we're gonna go off, and then instead of me throwing them away, might as well. So yeah guys, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna see how it turned out, because I've never made banana bread before. I mean, I've made cakes before, but I've never made it before. So yeah, let's see how it come out. Guys, my banana bread is smelling so scrumptious, like, oh my god, and it's not even done yet. Guys, it's not even done yet. Oh my god, are you excited?
I love it.
You love it? Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so, like, guys, this is my own touch, yeah. Like, I did follow the recipe and everything. I did follow the recipe and everything, but unfortunately I did miss one particular ingredient, but I do hope it come out well, so I just kind of make it my own. Guys, anyway, don't mind the marking on my oven. I did try to clean it, but you know, I can only do what I can do. But yeah guys, I'm gonna show you the finished touch. It's gonna be a little bit wonky because the baking tin is a little bit bigger than the amount that I made. So but anyway, as long as it tastes good, that's the main thing. So yeah guys, stay tuned. And there is my banana bread, golden brown, very nice. Like, this camera is not doing it any justice, like, you know, but it's a bit wonky, as I said before, because I did put the grease paper in the bottom, but I didn't get to neat it up as how I wanted to, and I think because my tin is quite round as well, so it's going to be like that. But as long as it tastes good, that's the main thing. So guys, yes, this is so good. So guys, I've come into the office now, and I got this little note. I've been getting notes about getting trainings done, getting this done, and it's just absolutely crazy. Oh, it says, hi Latasha, as asked previously, thank you for starting the care plan for said person. Apparently the daughter for this person is coming in on Monday 11th for care plan review meeting. Guys, today is the 7th, by the way. Well, the 8th now, because as I said, it's after midnight, so it's the 8th now. I've been through the care plan. The following tasks need to be completed. Will you please make sure that it will be completed before the 11th? The 11th is on Monday. I don't work on Monday, so I'm here tonight, and then my next shift will be on Saturday, which it wasn't meant to be on Saturday, but they asked me to swap. So I'm meant to do Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So they asked me to swap on Tuesday for Saturday. So hence why I'm here on Saturday. So I'm here tonight and Saturday, and they're telling me that I need to do all of this. Guys, listen, correct initial on the front of the care plan written by me. So I need to do something in regards to the mental capacity. Then number 2, I need to do risk assessments for clinical risk assessment for malnourishment, dysphagia risk assessment, movement and handling risk assessment, force risk assessment, continence and bladder risk assessment. Number 3, I need to do care plans need to be updated on SP6 movement and dexterity, SP6A force risk assessment, which also needs to be mentioned about capacity. Then SP7 mental health care plan. Then SP8 spirituality and living life. 9 safety. 11 rest and sleep. 12 continence. And then number 4 dependency profile. And number 5 clothing and property list update. Now, and it says, oh, once completed, please give this to either the manager or the deputy. I mean, I don't know, guys, if you are a nurse, if you are a carer, if you are a doctor, if you work in healthcare overall, what is it like for you? Please leave a comment down below and tell me, because there's so much things that I've seen, that I've experienced, and I'm thinking this shouldn't be not just for nurses but also the carers as well. The thing that they're asking carers to do now is like, y'all don't get paid enough to do all these things, you know. Now they're telling me, this deputy is telling me that all of this needs to be done, guys. Oh, something is in my eye. Oh my god, I think it's one of my little, one of the Lucia. But anyway, they're telling me that this needs to be done tonight whilst I'm on shift, and then I can finish it off on Saturday. I mean, what do they think? What do they think I'm a robot or something? And up until guys, on top of all of that, I still have to do all these 2 care. By the way, on the nursing floor is 20 beds, by the way, 20 beds, and then the residential altogether, you have how much downstairs? 25. Yeah, so altogether that's 45 people altogether. Now I have to do this care plan thing every single night we come on shift. We have to do this. Oh, whether they have the medication, how they're doing, blah blah blah. We have to write all of that. Then obviously we have to still do the monthly care updates. You know, apart from doing the care plan itself, you have to do the monthly evaluation. So every month you have to be updating whether there's any changes, if there's any changes, what happened, the outcome, blah blah blah, this and that. It's like nursing has become more around paperwork than actually looking after people. Like patient care, there's no such thing anymore. It's literally no such thing. Like everything is about paperwork. So when CQC turns up, which is the care quality commissioner, to do inspection, or you have all these other people that come and do it, as long as the paperwork is 100%, you will pass. It doesn't matter if the patient care is basically 0. As long as the paperwork says that, oh yeah, that's done, then in their mind they're thinking that's done, and that's not how it's supposed to be. It's absolutely crazy. I'm actually fuming. Not only that, month before I got paid, and check my pay slip, guys, if you've been having all these problems wherever you work, it doesn't have to be in nursing, but I'm talking about nursing because I'm a nurse for many years now.